Good morning, children. Welcome to VPS e-learning class. Children, as you know that our revision is going on and we have completed the revision of chapter 4 and yesterday we have done some objective type questions. So children, today we will start exercise 5A, matlab revision of exercise 5A. Today we will start. Today I will explain some questions from the same exercise 5A and I will give the question from the same exercise to solve you. Children, if you will have any queries regarding that exercise 5A, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. If you will have any problem, any doubts, you can clear on the group. Children, as you know that our revision is going on of chapter 5 division, and we have yesterday discussed about the terms of division, division facts and how to verify our division. Now today we will start exercise 5A, revision of exercise 5A, and I will explain you some questions once again. Then I will give you some question from the same exercise for your revision test. Now exercise 5A, divide and check your answer. So children, let's do first question. 4803 divided by 2. Now when 4800 divided by 2, 2 is what? Divisor. 4803 is dividend, and let's see what will be the next. On dividing 4803 by 2, 2 2s are 4, you can see 2 2s are 4 is there. So 4 minus 4 will be 0. Now we will note down the next number, that is 8. 2 4s are 8 will come. 8 minus 8, 0. Now after 8, 1 0 is given. This 0, what we will do? We will take this 0 to the quotient. We will write here. Then we will take the next number 3 and we will divide by 2. 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So children, 2401 is quotient and the number left over after the division, that is remainder. Now let us verify the division. Now what is the formula for checking or verifying the division? That is quotient multiplied by divisor plus remainder is equal to dividend. So quotient is 2401, divisor is 2 and the remainder is 1. So after solving this, what will come? The number will come equal to the dividend. Now 2401 multiply by 2, what will come? 4802. Now we will add 1 in 4802, what will come? 2 plus 1, 3 and 084. So you can see 4803 is equal to the dividend given in the question. Now second question, 364 divided by 8. Now children, we will divide 364 by 8. So 8, what we will do? We will first see the first digit, it is greater than or less than the divisor. So it is less than the divider. So we will take the second digit also with the first digit. Now the number is 36. 8 4s are 32. It is nearest to the 36. So 8 4s are 32. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 3 will be 0. Now we will copy 4 from here. It will become 44. Now 8 5s are 40. 40 is nearest to the 44. Now 4 minus 0, 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. So here in this question, 8 is the divisor, 364 is the dividend, 45 is the question, and the number 4 which is left over after division, that is remainder. Now let us verify the division. So Q multiplied by D plus R is equal to dividend. Q is for quotient, D is for dividend and R is for remainder. So quotient is given 45, divisor is 8 and the remainder is 4. Now we will multiply 45 by 8 first. So what will come? 8 5s are 40, 0 we will write here, 4 will be carry, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 4 is 36. So 360, in 360 we will add 4. Now it will come 364 and this 364 is the dividend given in the question. Now question number 3. 2836 divided by 7. Now we will see the first digit, it is smaller than the 7. So what we will do, we will take the next digit with the 2. Now the number is 28. 7 4s are 28. 28 minus 28 will be 0. Now we will again take 3. 3 is again smaller than 7. We will take the next digit is 6. Now the number is 36. Now, so children, before taking 6 here, what we will do? We will put 1 0 in the question. Okay? Now 7 5s are 35. 35 is nearest to 36. Now 6 minus 5 is 1 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now let us verify the division. So it is Q multiplied by D plus R is equal to dividend. Q is 405, divisor is 7, and the number left over after division, that is 1, it is remainder. Now we will multiply 405 by 7 first. 7 5s are 35, 5 we will write here, 3 will be carry, and 7 zeros are 0, 0 plus 3, 3 we will write here. 7 4s are 28. Now we will add 1 in 2835. So the answer will come 2836, 2836. Now this 2836 is the dividend given in the question. So children, it means that the division which we have done, it is correct. Next question number 4 is 503 divided by 5. Now 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 will be 0. This 0 we will take to the quotient. We will write here, and 3 is the remainder because 3 is smaller than 5 and there is no number given after the 3. So 3 will be the remainder, and in place of 3 we will put 1 more 0 in the quotient. So the quotient is 100 here. Now let us verify the division. Q multiplied by D plus R is equal to dividend. Quotient is 100. Divisor is 5 and the remainder is 3. Now on multiplying 100 by 5, what will come? 500, and 500 plus 3 is 503. So this 503 is equal to the dividend which is given in the question. So it means that our division is correct. Now question number 5, 7404 divided by 3. Now 3 2s are 6. We will take 6 is nearest to the 7. So 7 minus 6, 1. We will copy down 4 here. It will 14. Now 3 4s are 12. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So we will copy next digit, that is 0. It will become 20 now. 3 6 are 18. On subtracting 18 by 20, what will come? We will borrow 1 from 2. It will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. And here what remains? 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now we will copy the last digit, that is 4. Now it will become 24. Now in 3's table, 8 times 24 comes. 3 8s are 24. Now 24 minus 24 is 0. Now let us verify the division. Once again, Q multiplied by D plus R is equal to dividend. Now Q is 2468, which is the quotient. Now multiply by divisor, that is 3, and remainder is 0 here. So we will only multiply 3 8s are 24, 4 we will write here, 2 will be carry. 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 2 20, 0 we will write here, 2 will be carry. 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 4 we will write here, 1 will be carry. 3 2 just 6 and 1 7. Now children, you can see 7404 is the answer, and this is same as the dividend given in the question, that is 7404. Now children, I am going to give you some questions from the same exercise to solve, that you will solve it and send me for correction. Today's homework is you have to revise exercise 5A and 5B both for tomorrow's revision test. Thank you and have a nice day.